Alright, so we're going to talk about installing Windows Server 2019. So just like you install Windows 10, same set of procedures, same steps. So here I've already hit the enter for the key to the keyboard. You know, when the CD boots up and says press any key to boot up, I've already gone to that step. So here we can see we're picking our language, our keyboard, our time zone setup. And we're going to hit next to continue. Here again, if we need the repair, we could do the repair just like in Windows 10. We're going to do install. And now we started the install process for Server 2019. Here I'm just going to say I don't have a key because this is supposed to be a 90-day trial. So there we go. We're going to click I accept and then hit next. Again, if we were doing an upgrade, we would do this. We're doing a fresh, clean install, so we're going to do custom. Again, we can format the drive ourselves by selecting it and go to new, doing the partitions. We can just hit next, just like in Windows, and let it get going. So now we'll fast forward to the finishing up part. Okay, now that it finished copying, so now we're getting ready to reboot. This certainly boots up faster than Windows 10 did. Man, keep changing the light. I can't get myself to look any brighter or darker. It's just crazy. Can't wait till a better camera comes on sale so I can get something, make myself look better. Ooh, almost 50% ready. Getting ready. Bum, 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 bum. So bright up, can you tell it's changing colors? All right, let's see if we're on the home stretch. All right, here we go. Let's give the admin a password. Okay. That's one thing that's frustrating. So I like to use a generic password for my labs. I have to worry about remembering to make a smart one. Okay, it even looks just like Windows 10 with the logo login. Okay, let's send it a Control-Delete. And guess it would be helped if I selected the login box. Alright, so now it's creating the profile. Look at that, we get a little personalized detail. I love that we're get this little personal detail for logging in. All right, there we go. We successfully got our Windows server up and going. So the two next things I would do is essentially create the log, essentially add the tools, run the updates on there, and then the next video I'll be making is running Active Directory on it. So catch you guys on the flip side. So it's easy, just installing the Windows updates, just same way in Windows 10. Going to updates and check for updates. There we go. Now it's downloading a couple different updates, and then the next thing would be just to go in there and add the VMware tools or your virtual add-ons. And then you essentially just go to the console of that, click add-ons, and then it just pops as a CD, and you're good to go. Alright, so that's a quick tutorial on how to install Windows Server 2019. Alright, catch you next video. Bye.